Hey guys, welcome to Somali Korean Society. I wanted to share my experience when I first went to Korea on my own. I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I did. So come with me on this journey. I thought using this machine would be super hard, but luckily there is English translation, so yeah. I love the subway system in Korea.
Thank you.
Like, anyone can travel to South Korea and will never get lost. And people are so helpful too. So I decided to go to the convenience store and get some stuff before I go to bed. And you guys need to try the banana OU. Like, it's amazing. Recommend it. I already miss it right now. I wish I was in Korea. I met some new friends and we're on our way to the palace. Let me tell you a bit of the history about this place. Gyeongbok Palace was built in 1395 as the main palace of Joseon Dynasty. (1392 to 1910) by the dynasty founder King Taejo. Gyeongbok Palace is the most comprehensive and grandest of all 5 palaces of the period. It's also home to the National Folk Museum of Korea and the National Palace Museum of Korea.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
I hope that was useful. And if you guys know more facts about the palaces in Korea, just make sure you comment down below and tell us more.
This is what we waited for.
감사합니다.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow.
Looking up and down. I don't know, but stairs everywhere. Like, there's no elevator, there's no like stairs. It's killing me right now. That's what
With me, be free with me.
much better. It's like recording Snapchat.
A classic cliche.
This officer was helping us to get to the station, and not gonna lie to you, I love the Wi-Fi in Korea. It's so fast and it's free. You can get it anywhere, like on the street, everywhere. Like, it's free. And if you guys watched Running Man, you will know this couple, like they are my favorite.
Doubt.
We took the cable car to the top. And now we arrived in Namsan Towel. Here's me trying to book it for the first time.
It's spicy.
After a long day of walking and exploring, we decided to go to this restaurant called Eid, and the food was amazing, let me tell you that.
Oh, there's a line.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Here. And then you cover the things.
And then,
And wait for 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
okay, so
And you
I was still
you put
hungry
all-
after I
all
ate,
the-
those
so
spice.
decided to go
And
to
you
the convenience store to
shake
get
it.
some stuff, and those guys like
Because that was
helped me out. I'm really thankful to
I'm
them.
so glad I'm not
And
watching
yeah,
on my
here's
laptop.
me
Seriously,
watching Mama on TV for the first time.
Right now.
Thank you for watching, and make sure you guys subscribe, comment, and like this video. And I have more videos in store for you guys, so make sure you share as well. You guys are awesome. Bye.